actually we're starting to also add TypeScript to the Netlify front-end code base. And to me, I wouldn't learn it. I would always start with JavaScript, but I don't know, some people are really like TypeScript fans, but I don't think I know somebody who started with TypeScript without knowing a bit of JavaScript first. To me, I still haven't written any TypeScript, and my career is not over yet. So I think it's like sometimes you have these tools that people get really like intense about, like you should know, like now TypeScript is like taking over or something like that. But I believe that it would be easier for me to start learning TypeScript because I know JavaScript. I don't know if the opposite would be the same, but I'm interested in hearing what people have to say. I don't think you would start with TypeScript right away.
Ankush, like, you want to add something over here? It's interesting, right? So
yeah, I'm still like forming my opinions about it. I've picked up TypeScript within the last like 1 year. I feel I think somewhere down the line, people got confused between JavaScript and Java. So they said, okay, let's bring all the type system of Java into JavaScript. And there's like now a superset of the language. But it really helps. Like I have prevented a lot of bugs, and I have seen a lot of bugs happening in production systems because of the lack of type checking in JavaScript, which I feel could have been like eliminated so much sooner in the cycle, could have saved so much dev effort, so much time, so much user experience just because of it existing. But then it adds this extra overhead of having to learn it and having to understand what it's doing before you start littering any's everywhere and moving forward with it. So I'm kind of still divided, but like I would say it's a good thing to learn for sure, or at least good thing to like start with. So you can do good understanding of JavaScript and then some understanding of why TypeScript on top of it, so that you can extend from it when needed.
Okay, so there is one interesting question, Ankush. I think I'll want your view on that. So someone is saying, Kiran, I started learning JS a month ago. I'm also diving into the DSA, algo, stuff like that. Like, what should be my approach to learn JavaScript, React, Node, or DS, algo? Like, what should be the approach?
Again, right? It depends what you are learning it for. If you are just solving 500 lead code questions to like have that cool star, maybe that's a good thing, but I don't know. The language itself doesn't have too much to do with the concepts of DS and algo, right? You can take DS and algo, implement it in whatever language that you need to like work with. So if your aim is to learn JavaScript and DS and algo, initially keep them separate. You can learn DS algo concept and then implement them using JavaScript. But they are not one and the same thing. Like they have different reasons and you do different things with them. So again, like know why you are doing something and then proceed. Like don't try to like mix too much up front and like, I don't know, like, yeah, just have a plan.
Yeah, so that's really true. So you should have a reason for learning anything.